Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video we are starting a series of Python learning, and I will try to do my best in order to explain you how Python is working and what we can do with Python. It's gonna be fun, don't worry. First of all, if you don't have installed Python with VS Code integrated inside your video, I will leave a link in the description, and you can see there how to install Python with VS Code. So let's jump inside the lesson, and first of all, in the first lesson we're going to learn the variables in Python. So in order to create a file in Python, as I told in installation video, you have to specify the name of the file, and after that the extension must be py. Press enter, and as you can see, the Python icon has appeared at the left side of my file name. So first variable is gonna be string. Let's give variable name and equal to John. Okay, this is our first name, and first variable is string. So how we can print this to a terminal window? Print name. So let's run our program. Coming here, pressing play, and as you can see, we have printed the name John. Let's move on to our second variable, which is going to be the number, integer variable type, and I'm going to give 45. And in order to print integer variable, just giving simply the name of the label which we have declared from the left side of the equation, and pressing play. As you can see, we have printed 45, and if we want to see the type of the variable that we have given, simply typing type, getting inside parentheses the variable name, pressing enter, and as you can see, we have the variable type of integer. We have one more variable which is Boolean. How we can give the name of this? Passed. I'm gonna give to true. It's the first letter is capital, as you can see, and then print it is passed. Running the program once again, says it's true. So all those variables are like this. And how we can get the variable as a command line? We have to put the sign of hashtag. As you can see, the variable now is as a command line like this. Put also past variable of true command line, and I want to get the name and put the surname equal to Apple, John Apple. How we can print those name and surnames together side by side? Coming to print, say name plus surname like this. Run the program. As you can see, we have name and surname, but we don't have any space in between. How we can put a space in between? After the plus sign, we are opening the quote, leaving a space, closing the quote, plus sign once again, and run the program. As you can see, now we have John Apple with a space in between. So what happens if we give name a number? Okay, deleting this. Let's say we giving variable name a number, but we have pre-declared as a string. Let's see if we're gonna get any error. Running once again program, and it's 45. It's simultaneously. It gets the type of variable that you have declared last, and then it appears on the screen. That means that Python working from top to bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the lesson very short. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you in the next lesson. Just stay tuned. I don't promise when it's gonna be the next lesson. Maybe it's gonna be tomorrow, maybe it's gonna be 2 days. I don't know. Just keep in touch. Bye bye. See you soon. Have a nice day.